I have the May P.Louise Budget Box. So if you're as excited as me to see what's inside this month's curation, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandits hanging out with me, and Chloe and Dexter are just doing their own thing. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so P.Louise monthly budget box. This ends up, after shipping, being in the $50 range. I think it's like 52 or 56 after shipping, but it does come from the UK, and I have no idea. I haven't seen any spoilers this month, so excited to be surprised. So as usual, beautiful packaging, and then there's a box inside of the box. Okay. Peaches and Dreams. It sounds like it's going to be delicious. And then everything is nestled in its own space. So we're just going to start from the left and move to the right. The first thing in here says, "Rain on me. You've got to nourish to flourish. Peaches and cream water spray." Oh yes, yes, very, very much like a ripe peach. And it's very soft, like it looked kind of jelly, but no, it's very soft going on. Next, we have a Pass the Plump Moisture Mask. So I'm wondering if this is lip. Yes, this is a lip plumping mask. Let's take it out, take a look at it. It comes on a little key ring. Or not key ring, but a little clip that you can clip onto your key ring. You're going to crank that and it'll come up there. Yep, you're going to crank it up and then there you go. Ooh. All right, let's get that closed. So it is a peach color. It says it's a non-sticky formula. It is clear when you put it on, but ooh, look at that shine. Oh, yum. Next, we have her Baby Bad Bee Energy Peaches and Cream, but look at that. That is so gorgeous. Okay, I am a sucker for packaging. Look at that. Then inside we have the products. We have the Protect Your Pout Mini, and this is a lip conditioner, so that's this one. And then this one is, I believe, their gloss. And again, it's on the little clip. I have like the most heaviest keychain now because I have all these little things clipped on it. All from P.Louise. Lip, hand, I got it all covered. And look at that. How adorable. So it does have a little bit of a peach tint to it. Smells delicious. I will tell you, I find that you've kind of got to use it a few times before you really get that doe foot covered in the oil. I find that the first few times that you use it, you don't feel like you're getting enough on there, but keep it up. By the third or fourth time, you're going to start to see it's pretty well covered. Next is the hand cream. And this is good because the one that I'm currently using is a little more than half done. So clips right on the keys. Thank God you don't have to put the keys in the ignition anymore. Next is the Vitamin C Face Cream. Oh, look at that. That is so... So it is all just creamy. It's just pumped in there in a way that it looks like it's little beads, which is what I thought I was going to find in there. But no, it's just a creamy, still fun. And then last is a body cream in that delicious peaches and cream scent. All right, what are your thoughts? I love this box. I don't know why I waited so long to subscribe, I gotta be honest, but I'm so glad that I do now, because it's not just makeup every month. There's just a variety of things, and the scents are just so on target, so amazing. And I mean, the packaging, I just can't get over how adorable that is. All right, well, it's like a little juice box. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What was your favorite item, or do you like peach? Like, I love the scent of peach, love peach tea in the summertime, so this is right up my alley. But let me know, is it right up yours? All right, well, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.